Hello, this tutorial will display how to navigate within the upgraded Student Information System. This page will replace your Student Center and will reformat to fit any mobile, tablet, or desktop device. We will review what information and pages you will see when you click on each tile. On the top right of the screen, you will see two icons. These two icons will appear on each screen as you navigate through the system. The first is the Home icon. Clicking this icon will return you to this screen, your student homepage. The next icon with three vertical dots is called the Action List menu. This is where you sign out of the system. We will next move into each tile and what information you can find by clicking on the tile. This is your profile tile. Click on the tile to see your information. This tile will provide you with your CLC student ID number. You can add or update your email and phone numbers, and you can view your addresses. Here is a view of the page once you click on the tile. To return to the home page, either click the Student Homepage button on the top left or the house icon on the top right. This is your Manage Classes tile. In this tile, you can view your class schedule, exam schedule, view enrollment deadlines and enrollment appointments, add or drop classes, get course materials list, access Schedule Builder, search for classes, view your shopping cart, and a link to payment options. This is your Academic Records tile. In this tile, you can review your course history, view grades, view and order transcripts, view your program of study, review transfer credits, and enrollment verifications. This is your Tasks tile. This tile will provide details on your outstanding checklist items and any holds on your account. Student consent is where you can opt into emergency alert notifications and paper billing if desired. This is your Today's Classes tile. This tile will show you the classes you have scheduled for today. Once you click on the tile, you will notice that this page contains the same information as your Manage Classes tile. Here is your list of all current classes you are enrolled in. This is the Financial Aid tile. You can view your financial aid summary here. Click on each award to view its description. On this page, you can also apply for CLC Veterans benefits and view your SAP status. This is the Student Financials tile. You can make a payment, set up a payment plan, check your account balance, manage your direct deposit information, view payment history, access your 1098-T tuition statement, view account statements, and see term account details. This is your Academic Progress tile. You can view your Academic Progress Report, your CLC contacts, and view advising notes. This is your Student Resources tile. This tile provides external links for easy student access. Links provided are to the CLC Library, CLC Bookstore, Student Services pages, Academic Calendar, Student Records Policies and Forms, and Financial Aid Applications, College Zone, and the National Student Loan Data System website. This is your Blackboard tile. When you click on the Blackboard tile, you will be automatically redirected to the Blackboard site. Thank you for watching this video of our upgraded student information system. We hope that this tutorial has provided you with the resources to make accessing your information easier. As a reminder, this student homepage is mobile and tablet friendly, so feel free to access it on any device you have. If you have any questions beginning February 11th, please drop by the CLC Help Desk or Welcome and One Stop Center for assistance.